Traditional carbohydrate-rich diets from different parts of the world offer a compelling example of how cultural eating patterns, developed long before modern nutrition science, naturally support optimal B vitamin intake. These diets, rooted in centuries of agricultural wisdom, seasonal availability, and communal culinary practice, often combine whole grains, legumes, and vegetables in ways that not only supply sustained energy, but also deliver the B vitamins essential for turning that energy into metabolic fuel. Among them, the Mediterranean, Asian rice-based, and Andean quinoa-based diets stand out as shining examples of how traditional carbohydrate sources come naturally fortified with the very nutrients needed to process them efficiently in the human body. The Mediterranean diet, widely celebrated for its benefits to heart health and longevity, is based on whole grains like barley, bulgur, and whole wheat, as well as legumes such as lentils and chickpeas. These ingredients are not only excellent sources of complex carbohydrates but also rich in thiamine, B1, niacin, B3, and folate, B9. Meals like lentil soup with whole grain bread or pasta made from semolina wheat served with tomato and beans are not only filling and flavorful, but also metabolically supportive. The inclusion of nuts, seeds, and leafy greens further rounds out the intake of B6 and riboflavin, B2, ensuring that energy metabolism is supported from multiple angles. These meals are often enjoyed with olive oil and moderate amounts of fish or cheese, which may contribute additional B vitamins, particularly B12 for those who include animal products. In many parts of Asia, traditional diets revolve around rice, especially brown or semi-polished rice, and a variety of legumes, tofu, and vegetables. Brown rice is a reliable source of B1, B3, and small amounts of B6, and when it's paired with soy-based foods like miso, tempeh, or edamame, the B vitamin content rises even further. Dishes such as rice and vegetable stir-fry, congee made with mung beans, or miso soup with seaweed and tofu demonstrate how even simple meals can provide a rich array of micronutrients. Fermented soy products often offer small but important increases in B vitamins due to the action of beneficial bacteria. In these rice-based diets, the structure of the meal supports not only sustained energy but also digestive health, thanks to the fiber and fermentable compounds found in both the rice and accompanying vegetables. In the highlands of the Andes, quinoa has served as a staple grain-like seed for thousands of years, often paired with corn, potatoes, and beans. Quinoa is particularly noteworthy not just for its complete protein content, but also for its concentration of B vitamins, including B1, B2, and B6. It stands out as a more nutrient-dense carbohydrate source, and when combined with black beans, sweet potatoes, or amaranth, it forms a B vitamin-rich foundation for metabolic support. Andean dishes often include these grains with herbs, spices, and tubers in slow-cooked stews, making the nutrients more bioavailable and easier to digest. This diet, born from one of the world's most nutrient-diverse ecosystems, provides a natural balance of carbohydrates, protein, and the B vitamins necessary for energy and resilience in a mountainous environment. What's common across all these traditional diets is the unprocessed, whole food nature of their carbohydrate sources. The grains and legumes used are usually minimally refined, meaning the bran and germ are preserved, where most of the B vitamins are concentrated. Additionally, the meals are often composed of multiple ingredients that complement each other nutritionally, creating a cumulative effect where B vitamins are not only present but actively absorbed and utilized by the body. These cultures did not need to enrich or fortify their food artificially. The structure of the meal and the variety within it ensured that the necessary nutrients came together naturally. In a modern context, these diets offer valuable insight into how we can meet our nutritional needs without relying heavily on supplements or processed foods. They remind us that when carbohydrate-rich meals are built around whole, plant-based ingredients, whether it's lentils and barley, rice and tofu, or quinoa and beans, they bring with them not only the calories needed for energy, but also the micronutrients required to transform those calories into usable, sustained fuel. B vitamins, so crucial to every cell in the body, are integrated into the very structure of traditional meals, showing that nutrition and culture can go hand in hand.